Ang pangalawang team na i-review naman natin in terms of the roster is none other than Team Liquid Philippines. Kasi guys, parehas na parehas lang yung magiging lineup nila para sa Season 18. Eh Hans, di ba natalo na sila dati? First round exit sila sa MSC, bakit parehas pa rin? Bakit hindi man lang sila nagbago? Bakit hindi sila nag-adjust? It's because I think they don't need to. Guys, nung Season 12, nadapa din sila. And then they've managed to return over and over, tried over and over and over at naging champion sila ng Season 15, 16, and 17. So if there's anything na napatunayan ng Team Liquid PH roster na to, it's that they can bounce back. At siguro masasabi ko, yung MSC 2026 run nila was the most surprising in a bad way in terms of all of their runs internationally. Pero that's what I've been saying in a voiceover in case you've watched. By the way, ako nga pala nag-voiceover nun. Sobrang solid, di ba? Kaya please, bilhin na kayo sa hansgalleria.shop. Kung napanood nyo si Daiki, di ba? Sabi niya, buisit na buisit siya pag natatalo sila. And I know all of them believe that. And they're running it back because they know that they can win. But against all of the rosters and against all of the people na sinasabi na siguro sila yung underdogs ngayon kahit na sila yung champion ng Season 17, how will they take that? How will they approach that? Pero para sa fanbase ng TL, all you have to do is stay. At para sa lahat ng mga bashers, sinabi na nila, pagdudahan nyo sila ulit. If you're right, then you're probably right. But if you're wrong, at nag-champion na naman sila, pang-apat na sunod na season mo ng mali, tol. You gotta show them some respect by the end of this season.